Morning children, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to see multiplying and dividing. We already learned addition and subtraction of 5-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. Today we are going to see the new topic, multiplying and dividing. We all know how to multiply the numbers and find the products. The product is bigger number than the multiplication numbers. And we already learned how to divide the numbers by 2. We learned for 2-digit and 3 digits. But today we are going to see multiply and divide 5-digit by 3-digit. We are going to see 5-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers. We are going to multiply those numbers and we are going to divide those numbers. And we will place according to how we have to place them according to the place values and find the products. We will see that. And we will complete our volume and we can assess ourselves after completing the volumes, whether you did correct or not. Now see here children. For example, 2048 into 64. This is a 4-digit number and 2-digit number. We already know how to multiply. We are going to multiply by column method. 2048 into 64. Because this is 2-digit number, I have to place at ones and tens place. I have to place those numbers ones and tens. I should not write from thousands place because this is 2-digit number, not a 4-digit number. Now we are going to multiply this number. So starting from 64 we are going to multiply the above number. From 4, I am going to take the number 4 first and I am going to multiply all the above numbers. After that I am going to take the number 6 and going to multiply all the numbers above. Now we will see how to multiply from the number with the number 4. 4 8s are 32. Okay. What I am going to do, I am going to take this 2 here and the 3 is carried forward on the top of the next. After ones I am having tens. So this 3 is forwarded to 4 and on the top of the 4 I am writing the number 3 because this is tens place. 3 is the tens place. After that I am going to multiply 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16 plus 3. 16, 17, 18 and 19. See here 19. Now here what I am going to do, I am going to take the 9 here and the 1 is carried on to the top of the hundreds place value. 4 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Now 4 twos are 8. Got it children? Next, I am going to make this place empty. I am going to make this place empty. I am not writing anything here. Now take the number 6. 6 8s are 48. What I am going to do now? Yes, I am taking the 8 here and 4 is carried on the top of tens place. Now the next, after 8 what is the number here? 4. Now don't take this 3 because 3 is already completed when we are multiplying with 4. Now here 6 4s are 24 and plus 4. 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. I am not going to add 3 there. Why? Because I already added when I multiplied the number with 4. Now I got 28. Yes, 8 here and 2 is carried to the next place value, that is thousands place value. 6 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2, 2. Next 6 twos are 12. 2. Now I am going to add the numbers. 2, 9 plus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. 17. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10. 8 plus 2 10 and 10 plus 1 11. 2 plus 1 3 and 1. 13. What is my answer here? 1,31,000. Okay. Now understood how to write the numbers one after one. We will see the other number. 12,345 into 125. I took 5-digit number and 3-digit number. Now I am going to multiply. We will see. 12,345 into 125. See, last from last three. Why? Because this is 3-digit number only. Last hundreds place value. Now we will see. First multiply with the number 5. 5 5s are 25. 25. 5 here and 2 is carried to the next number. Now see. Okay, 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2. 22. 22. 2 here and 2 here. Next 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2. 16. 17. Okay. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1. 11. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1. 6. Got it, children? 5 5s are 25 and 2 here. 5 4s are 20 plus 2. 22. 22 no, 2 here and 2 carried forward to the hundreds place. 5 3s are 50. 15 plus 2. 17. 7 here and 1 is carried to the thousands place. Now 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1. 6. Okay. Now with 5 I have finished. Now I am going to take the number 2. What I am going to do? Yes, I am going to keep this number empty. Now all these are finished. We added already. Now we will see. 5 2s are 10. 1 on the top. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1. 9. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Okay. 2 5s are 10. 1 here. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1. 9. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Why? Because nothing is carried forward. Now, see here. I kept this blank and the next tens also because I multiplied with hundreds. 5 1s are 5. 4 1s are 4. 3 1s are 3. 1 2s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. Okay. Now I am going to add all those 3 numbers. Plus now 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 9 plus 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 16 plus 5, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 1 and 2. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 2, 11, 12 and 13. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13 and 13 plus 1, 14. 2 plus 2, 4 and 4 plus 1, 5. And the remaining 1. This is my answer. 15,43,125. Now we know how to multiply. See here. First for the when I multiplied with tens, I kept the tens place empty. When I multiplied with hundreds, I made the ones and tens place empty. I did not write the answer here. When I multiplied with 1 5s are 5, I did not write at ones place. Okay. When I multiplied with 2 5s are 10, I did not write the answer at ones place. Why? Because I am multiplying the tens. So I started with the tens and I got the product. Okay. Now we will see how to divide the numbers now. How to divide the number. 12,345 divided by 120. See here. 120. 120 is a big number. We don't know the multiplication table of 120. So we will see how to divide the number. See here with 120. Now how many places I have to take now? Because if I take 1 is lesser than 120. I can't subtract from the number 1. So I took the number 2. When I am multiplying, I multiplied from the left side. But when I am dividing from the right side. See the difference when I am multiplying and when I am dividing. I am not dividing from the last numbers from ones place because I I have to make them into parts. I'm not making multiplication. So, I'm not finding a product. So, when I divide, I am dividing from the right side, and when I am multiplying from the left side. Okay? See here, 120 is, I took the two numbers, 12. Is 12 greater than 120? No, it is lesser than 120. I can't subtract from 12, I can't subtract 120 from 12. So what I did, I took the three numbers, 123 now. See here, 123 is greater than 120. Now I can subtract 120 from 123. I don't know the table of 120. So what I did, I wrote the table. 121 sir, 120, 122 sir, 240, 12 sir, 24. I added 0 at the last. Now, see 123, I have to compare where is 123 now. Is it near to 120 or 240? Yes, it's near to 120 because 240 is greater than 123. Now I can't subtract. So, the lesser number I took. What is the lesser number? 121 sir, 120. Now subtract 3 and take down the number 4. This is a 2-digit number and this is a 3-digit. Now I can subtract 120 zeros are 0, 34. Now take the number 5. Okay. Now take next number 120 3s are 12 3s are 36 and 0. Okay. Now here 360 is greater than 345. So I am going to take 120 into 2. 122 are 240. 5. Subtract. 5 minus 0 5. 4 minus 4 0. And 3 minus 2 1. And my remainder is 105. Now how can I check whether my answer is correct or not? We already learned. What we learned? Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Now we will see. 102 into 120. We will see how can we multiply. 102 into 120. We will write column letter. 102 into 120. 0, 0 zeros are 0 and 0 zeros are 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 1s are 2. Now multiply with 1. 1 2s are 2, 1 zeros are 0 and 1 1s are 1. What is my answer? 0, 4, 2, 2, 1. 12,240. For this number, I am going to add 105. 4, 5, 3, 2 and 1. See, 12,345. I got the answer 12,345. So, the quotient is 112 and the remainder is 105. And we all know what is this divisor and dividend. Okay. Now, we will see the other number. Divided by 500. Now we will see how to divide this 5-digit number with 3-digit number. 500 divided by 23,568. Now see, I am going to take 3-digit number, but 3-digit number is lesser than this 500. So what I am going to do? I am going to take the 4-digit number. See, which table I have to know now? Yes, 501s are 500, 502s are 5 2s are 10 and the remaining 2 zeros. 500 into 3. 5 3s are 50 and the remaining 2 zeros. 500 into 4 and the remaining 5 4s are 20 and the remaining 2 zeros. 500 into 5. 5 5s are 25 and the 2. 500 into 6, 3000. 500 into 7, 3500. 500 into 8, 4000. Okay. Now I am going to take the 4-digit number 2356. I am going to compare this 4-digit number from 2000 to 2500. See here, this number lies between 2000 and 2500. But 2500 is greater than 2358. So I am going to take the before number. 500 4s are 2000. Okay, minus 6 minus 0, 6, 5 minus 0, 5 and 3 minus 0, 3. Now take down this number 8. Now compare this 3568. Where it lies between? Yes, it lies between 3500 and 4000. But 4000 is greater than 3568. So I am going to take the before number. What is that? 3500. 500 sevens are what? 500 sevens are 3500. Okay. Now sum 8 and 6 and my remainder is 68. And now I got the answer 47. My quotient is 47 and remainder is 68. Okay. Now open your volume sheet now. See the first one, multiply and dividing. See the first one, solve 56,432 into 234. You have to write according to their place values and multiply. See the second one, B, 42,356 divided by 345. Which table you have to write now? 345. Okay. See the C and D also you have to multiply and divide. See the second one. Form a 5-digit and 3-digit number using 0 to 9 so that they can have the biggest product possible. You have to write your own 5-digit number and 3-digit number and find the product. And see this third one. Form a 5-digit and 3-digit number using 0 to 9 so that they have the smallest product possible. You have to take a 5-digit and 3-digit number and so that they have the smallest possible. Product must be smallest number. That means you have to divide the number. Okay, complete your volume sheet.